Hello, as you can see I have 5 megabytes download and we will see how Builderall performs in terms of speed. So I want to take the $1 trial. Now I'm waiting for the checkout. It's coming. Now it's here. So it took a few seconds to display this checkout. Now we will go to the plans and we will try each plan. So the funnel club, we want to buy it, then we wait, the text is written, and then we have the checkout. Go back. Now premium, same, we click, we wait, text, and super checkout comes. And finally the last one. So the super checkout is the same system we use for our own site on Builderall. So you can see it's pretty quick, a few seconds. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.